Namaste. In today's episode, let us understand how we can make relationships work better by following simple and effective affirmation practices. If you want to know what affirmations are, you can watch my previous video on what are affirmations by clicking on the I button. Well, some of us find it very hard to manage emotional disturbances in close relationships. When we don't find the contentment in any relationship, be it between husband and wife or parent and children, we give multiple attempts to fix things in the name of compromise, adjustments. But if things don't work out, we often put the blame on fate, on the opposite person. We start sulking, we start crying, or probably we even go to a zone where we put these complications into other aspects of our being, as in take it emotionally too deep and create more physical concerns for ourselves. But did you know that apart from logically trying to fix something, we can all do something spiritually to handle relationships better? Yes, understanding the soul to soul connection between any relationship can actually help us transcend a lot of limitations and challenges in any relationships. There are multiple ways of doing this. In today's episode, I am going to teach you a simple affirmation practice that can help us bridge a strong relationship with any family member of your choice. Family affirmations are a great way to strengthen and enhance our family bonds. So, now let us quickly have a look at these beautiful, short, strong, powerful affirmations that can help us build stronger connection with a family member. Well, these affirmations can be practiced either early in the morning or after your meditation or during your meditation practices, just before going to bed, or just pray or recite them whenever you feel relaxed, or whenever you feel happy, or whenever even you feel worried. Go back to believing in the strength or the power of love. Please understand that no matter what practice or ritual or some remedy that you want to use to fix things, always believe in the power of love. Because if you feel that fixing things between you and the other person is going to not just help you but also the other person, then the universe is definitely going to back you up with all that you want to do or practice or try to make things work better. These affirmations can be repeated as many times as you want. But remember, whenever you are emotionally disturbed with the opposite person because of their behavioral patterns or whatever other critical situations that you're going through, go back to that stillness and understand that you're doing this for the sake of love. You hold clear, pure intentions of spreading love and harmony in this relationship. These simple practices can actually help us in a large extent to not just detach from this relationship, as in spread love, but have least or no expectations, and also get stronger deep inside to handle challenges more effectively and peacefully. These affirmations can also be framed easily. For instance, in our house, we have a small photo frame in which we have a nice family picture, along with which we have handwritten these affirmations, and one of us in the family every day just reads it with a lot of happiness, or we're just sharing this information to each other and smiling. This can make a whole lot of difference, especially when you're practicing it regularly. When you're repeating it, this gets deep down into your subconscious mind. Even better if you have children at home, hearing these positive words, looking at their parents doing this, helps them understand relationships, family, love in a deeper manner. That's it for today. I'll meet you again with another episode on drugless therapy. Until then, kindly take care of yourself. And yes, if you like this information, please do subscribe for our channel and support us. And if you feel someone else is in need of this, do liberally share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.